Hello guys, welcome to Summer Auto Part. This is Summer. Today I'm going to introduce our Girls Black kit for Defender. And this Girls Black kit is similar as the 007 kits, and most customers who want to upgrade the car from the different colors like the green, like the blue, like the white want to be the full black kit. They want to replace the silver parts on the front bumper and the rear bumper. So in order to satisfy customers' requests, so we're going to make the replacement part, which is gloss black, to help customers to get the cheaper way to upgrade the car. So first of all, I'm going to introduce you guys what included in these kits. It's the camera shoes, the parts of the 007 Gloss Black kit, including the rear bumper, front bumper, fog lamp cover, the bumper grille, and the front bumper grille cover like this one, which I introduced before. We have the carbon fiber sticker. And for these videos, I'm going not only show you what's included in this case, and also want to tell you how to replace it. Actually, it's very easy. We can find the back. We can find it's plastic material, but it's good quality plastic, and on this bracket all is same as original ones, and you do just remove the bumper from the original car and change the replacement one. So in the next minutes, you are going to check the details of the painting work. Most customers want to make a same painting as the original cars, and no difference of the car body like color and our gloss black kit. So we can check the painting work. It's really nice. And if you are worried about the qualities, we do also support you primer colors, and you can go back your shop to painting by yourselves. So if you have any questions about the Gloss Black kits, just contact our sales department for more information. So thank you very much for your watching, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more information about the new Defender. This kit is available for Defender 90, Defender 110, and Defender 130. So thank you very much, and see you next week. Bye bye.